Today we're taking a look at how to use the swipe up feature on Instagram without needing 10K followers. So let's jump right into it and get you started ASAP. So you can only do this by uploading to Instagram TV when you want people to go to your website or YouTube channel through swiping up on your stories. It'll take a few extra steps, but it'll be possible to add as many links to your Instagram as you want. First, upload a video to Instagram TV, and in the title you should write something like "click here for the link." Then in the description you copy paste the link you want to send to people, and now all that's left is to create a story and link your Instagram TV video to it. So I'll take this video for example and then add the Instagram TV we just created to it, and that allows people to swipe up when I post it. Now when Laurence checks my story, there's a swipe up option. All she has to do is swipe up, which brings up the Instagram TV, tap the title, and tap one last time to open up the link. It's not as easy as just swiping up, and to be honest, I think it's not something many people will do, but if you explain it and your followers get an understanding of how to use it, they'll find it much easier to access many different links through your Instagram rather than going to your bio and clicking the link there. If you learned something, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps to put my videos in front of a bigger audience and helps us grow. And make sure to check our other courses by checking our playlist. We're also on Instagram should you want to follow our latest adventures there, so be sure to look for Nathan and Laurence or Nathan and Laurence videos on Instagram. As always, see you soon and see you later.